What is up, guys? This is Josh from Lead and Iron. I have a video today where I picked up a $29 with tax and stuff shotgun mic from Boya. So I got this off Amazon, and I've been looking for another device that I could attach so we don't hear like the echo, too bad. But I found one that had decent reviews and was affordable. Like, I would want like Rode or Deity because they're like really good microphones. And I was looking for wireless, and in my price range at the moment, the wireless ones were just getting terrible reviews. They sounded terrible on other people that reviewed them, so I just kind of blocked that out, and I went with this Boya mic. So let's get started. Alright, so here is our little knife, bullet knife. And what we're just going to do is cut this open. Not very sharp, I guess. It does look kind of sharpen it. I don't know. Who uses something that small? But it wasn't very big. Like, here it is. What's upside? No, it was not upside down. Huh. So just a little Boya mic. I wanted to see how the sound quality would sound on my 6600 from Sony and not have to spend like an arm and a leg. So hopefully this is something that will check off those. Let me see here, guys. See if we can try to open it here. There we go. All right. And see what it comes with, huh? Okay. Well, it comes with stickers. It's always fun when things come with stickers. I don't know why. I don't even know. Like, have you guys ever used the stickers that come with like your Apple or, in this case, Boya mic? I've never put them like anywhere, so, but I get excited to see stickers. So what the heck? This might go on my laptop. We'll see. So like a gel pack. Looks like warranty. Yeah, it looks like a warranty card. Instruction manual. So this is the Boya by MM1 microphone, and it just connects right into your camera using this 3.5 millimeter cord. Comes with a dead cat. Oh, it's already on it. So let's look at this. Oh, I can feel that it is on both the dead cat and the little foam piece. And not sure how to take this out, and I don't want to wreck it because I'm pretty good at that. But I guess it's supposed to hold in place, right? So I don't feel anything necessarily. There we go. Okay, so it looks like the foam piece is part of the dead cat. I don't see it separating from any other place, and I don't feel like a Velcro or zipper that would indicate that this comes apart. But you know what? You probably have to squeeze it in there, and I'm just gonna leave it like that. So this is the mic. This little guy right here. And this is kind of cool. Like, it's tiny enough that you can take it with you like in your camera bag and then put it on and use it. I mean, to travel with this very, very small. Here's a dead cat for the wind reduction and stuff. We'll see how that works. And here is the cord, and it's coiled, so it doesn't have to travel too far. And then that just gets plugged in here, and then this gets plugged into the camera side or this microphone side, and this other one goes into your camera. So there's this one, and then there's another one. So as you can see, one has 2 lines and one has 3 lines, and those are for like cell phones, some cameras. So you're gonna have to figure out which one is going to work for your cell phone / camera. That's in the instruction booklet, we'll go over that. And here's like a little shock mount that goes onto your camera. This looks like it clips into here, the smallest part, like so. NANI? So, I will figure that out here in a little bit. And it comes with this little handy travel bag that has BOYA on it. So that's all that's in the box. And now let's look at this instruction booklet. There we go. And we'll see which one we need. So TRRS is for like smartphones, tablets, or Macs. It's right here. And then the TRS is for like your cameras and audio recorders and stuff. RRS is that one. And the TRS is a coiled one. So this is the one we'll be using for our cameras. And these, if we ever record with our cell phones, this is the one that we would be using for our cell phones and stuff. So now we got that out of the way. Let's plug this guy in here. And it looks like this one goes in here since it's curved. And it's snapped right in. Now, should I put this dead cat on, or should I do that later? I'm pretty sure it would probably muffle it because it's supposed to muffle wind. So we'll check this out and see how it sounds. And it looks like my camera, this camera up here, the card is full. So I need to get a bigger card. I wanted to do like an overhead shot, and that's why I kept looking up. But now it seems that this is the main camera we're going to use this time. I don't even know what's on there. Like, I know it's recording in 4K, and sometimes 4K takes up a lot of space, but I mean, it's 64 gigabytes. I can't see it taking up that much. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Okay, so guys, I'm going to connect this to this camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. The microphone is attached to the camera using the little slot in the side of the camera. Shock mount is also added on, and microphone is mounted. Now I'm not sure what the quality sounds like right now because I can't hear it, but in the videos that I saw, it came out really good. So that was one of the deciding factors that made me go this route. One, it was very affordable. 2, it sounded really good. I mean, it wasn't like road quality, but it was pretty close for $30. I'm also going to try this dead cat here outside of one of these videos when it's windy, because I really want to test that out as well. But for the price and what you get, so you're able to do your cell phone if that's how you create. You're able to take it with you, throw it in your camera bag because this is soft, or even throw it in your backpack. It's like a soft, like a fake leather, pleather type. Maybe it is leather. I don't know. But you get that. You get your warranty card. You get your little thing here. All in this little box. It's compact. Hopefully it sounds great. From what I saw, what I heard, and what I read about on the reviews, it sounded really, really good. So the only thing about like shotgun mics that kind of made me sway away from there is on my camera I can flip up the back and have a screen facing at me so I can kind of see what's going on and if I'm like in range or whatever. But what I do is I use my cell phone, and Sony has an app, and it will show you like their image app, so I can control the camera from here, and I can see myself and see if I'm in, if I'm in the frame right. If there's anything else that I need to adjust, I can mostly adjust it from here. So this is a really cool app to go with this camera, and I really, really, really hope that this mic sounds as good as I saw it on other videos. So, or I should say I heard it. If it sounds amazing, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you liked about the sound, what you didn't like about the sound, and then maybe we can find like a different, because I do have two cameras, so maybe we can find like a different one if it doesn't sound the way you think it should sound, or if it comes out differently on your end. So I would like to know that. I had got another, it was like a lavalier wireless mic, and that thing sounded terrible. And the worst part about it is it came used, which I don't understand. I bought it new off of Amazon, right? And it was heavily used. So I don't know if it was just like broken. One of them was broken. It came in a 2-pack. And then the other one didn't look like it had been touched, but all the wires were all out and mangled, and one of them was really dirty, and like the charging port had come out on the other one, and it was stuck on the other end of the charging port. It was a mess. So I contacted Amazon about that, and they said keep it, and I was just like, why? Who wants to keep this? They refunded me anyway, and I just ended up tossing it. But hopefully this Boya mic, BOYA, it was on Amazon for $26.99. Hopefully, I'll put it back here. And then that way you can kind of look over my shoulder per se and see if it's something that you would like. If this sounds really good, we'll use it for all our videos, because one thing I wanted is to give better sound quality that will match like 4K, because sometimes it sounds like I'm like in a hallway that's empty and it's really echoey, and like I noticed those things. And one thing I do want to do on this channel is build some acoustic paneling, like do it ourselves. We'll record that whole process and build it, because I'm looking for like Superman fabric. So I'll put it on the walls here and see if that really helps out with that. Maybe put one on the ceiling, one on this wall, maybe one on this door. And I have carpet in here, so that helps out a lot. But this way you guys can also see if, maybe building an acoustic panel or two will benefit for you guys as well. So let me know if that's something that you would like, that you'd be interested in the comments. Let me know what kind of fabric you'd use if you were to build one. And I'm not sure if I want to go with 2x4s or 1x4s, so let me know in that comment below as well, because I don't want it to be extremely heavy. At the same time, I want it to be durable though. So hopefully this little office studio begins taking shape. I kind of want to have like a Moore's area where I don't really have to move everything around. I can charge everything here. I can set my laptop and my cameras and running off this power strip, and charge everything, keep everything within this office / studio, and then that way I can kind of have more stability. So let me know also if that is something that you guys are working on. Maybe you're building your little game room, building like a studio room, maybe you do music, even like photo editing room, stuff like that. So I'd like to know what kind of projects and stuff that you guys have going on too, because I've seen some really cool game rooms, and I don't necessarily game a lot, and when I do game, it's out there like in the front office, I guess, like where I build PCs, and mostly Valorant, because that's like one of my favorite games, and that's what most of I play when I do play. or if I do, it's like I'll play PlayStation 4 Call of Duty. I do have a new headset that I got on Amazon, and it was like $8 or something like that. So I kind of want to review that and see what you guys think. I am looking for like more budget oriented things that we could all use, that we don't have to necessarily spend $150 for a headset. If I can spend $9 or $10 and it looks decent, but it sounds good, you're able to hear clear, clear footsteps and voices and whatnot, and you're able to communicate clearly with a microphone, I mean, why not? Let me know if that's something you're interested in the comments. But anyway, thank you for listening to me and watching me unbox this Boya mic. I hope it sounds good. From the things like I said, from the things I saw, it sounded really good. It wasn't road quality. I wanna kind of put that out there, but it was close. It was close for a third of the price. This video will kind of help you decide if you want to spend $30 or $100, or even up to $120 for some of those shotgun mics of Rode. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Took up enough of your time, but thank you so much. We will test this out. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We would really appreciate like a thumbs up or a subscription if you would. And if not, that's cool as well. And we'll see you in the next one, but I gotta go because my back hurts.